Guys, ang galing. Hi everyone, good morning. November 19. I just came out from shower. Naligo ako because I have planned today. We promised the girls kasi before we left to New York that we are gonna put up our Christmas tree when we get back from New York. I was thinking na today, I'm going to Hobby Lobby. Magpapadrive ako ng aking I will ask my husband to drive me to Hobby Lobby so I can buy what I needed for our Christmas tree decoration. Last year, if you guys had watched my video, my Christmas decoration theme last year was gold and white, right? Gold and white yung ating theme. So I think, kasi yung asawa ko, my husband keeps telling me, why can't we just put traditional thing, blah, 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 traditional. Okay, so this time I will follow what he thinks. Kasi last year, it was my decision. This year, to do his kind of theme naman. So, I'm thinking of like getting red ornamental Christmas balls sa Hobby Lobby, guys. Hopefully, hindi siya mahal. Hopefully, naka-sale. That's what I always like think about, like naka-sale yung kanilang mga items. Kasi kung hindi naka-sale, mahal. But anyway, let's see. I'm not going to be extravagant when it comes to decoration. I just wanted to see something, the spirit of Christmas. I know it's still different. You know, I said this even way before pa rin yung Pasko sa Pinas, guys. But even if we are not in the Philippines, I still wanted to make something for the kids to enjoy and memories. Kasi I feel like it's something that we do together and then it's kind of happy memories na kami yung nagsasabit ng mga, you know what I mean. Kung hindi tayo mag-spending too much today, so I will bring you guys with me. I have to prepare myself. May nangyari sa aking tingnan nyo. Guys, nakita nyo ba yan? Para akong kinagat, di ba? But this lips is out of, di ba, we were in New York. Sobrang labig sa New York, guys. Pag uwi ko dito, guys, nagbakbakan yung aking lips. And then, I was stupid because I just peel it off. So, yan na yung nangyari. Ayan, nagkasugat tuloy. But I have these for my lips sleeping mask from Laneige. If I said it correctly, I had used this one for like months already. I got this from Sam's. So, lagyan natin yung ating lips para hydrated. Kasi, ayan, nakakainis. Guys, ang dami ko nung nagawa today. Hindi pa kami umalis. We didn't leave. Kasi yung asawa ko, he's working on his homework sa school. So, hindi kami nakaalis after kanina. But, mamaya na lang daw kami pupunta Hobby Lobby after namin madala si Nicole sa kanyang dentist appointment today. Which, ipipick up namin siya sa school in an hour. In an hour ba? Tama. Kasi yung appointment niya is around mga 3 something. And then, yeah. And it's in College Station. So, I really love this one. Niyantay ko lang yung asawa ko. I was working outside kasi meron ako mga seedlings or mga tinatanim na. Kailangan ko siyang i-keep. O inaayos ko, in-arrange ko sila lahat. Kasi winter season is coming. And mamamatay sila kung hindi ko sila i-keep warm. So, I'm working on it. Papa-edit yung asawa ko ng video from the tournament, guys. Gawan ko siya ng reels. So, diba ganito ako supportive. He has something to post on his Instagram. And also sa kanyang page. He got me this. Hindi na ako nag-vlog or unboxing, whatever. Sira yung laptop ko, guys. Ito. Asan yun? Ito yung pinaka-first laptop ko. Nung nag-start ako vlogging, that was like 5 years ago or 4 years ago ba? This one. It's Lenovo. Maganda tong laptop na to guys, pero sira na. Bundak. Lahat sira siya. Ayun oh. So, ayaw ko siyang itapon kasi marami itong mga pictures nasa loob ng laptop na yan. And then, if I'm going to throw it away, baka may kukuha. And then, alam niyo yun, marami akong mga picture dyan na naiwan, guys. Nakasave pa. So, binilhan niya ako ng, laptop. Asus ZenBook Ultra 9. Which is gamit na gamit. This, laptop is good for editing videos. Hindi nga lang pang artistahin na editing or whatsoever, but this one is really good for editing and any basic writing or mga etc that you need sa laptop. How to edit using laptop, because from the previous years I've been using my phone to edit and I use InShot, so I'm used to just edit it in the phone, not laptop. But I wanted to learn it from this PC kasi I have to. Kailangan matuto akong mag-edit using laptop talaga. Let's do outfit check. Naka-jeans lang ako guys, and I'm wearing sneaker. And then, yeah, jeans. And then, top bag as always. And I am bringing my water. So, it's 2:30. We're leaving soon to pick up Nicole. It's so funny, no? Right now in Rochester, it's very cold. Here, it's very opposite. Part of why maybe I'm sick. I got diarrhea, guys, when we got home from New York. I think part of it because of the weather or the temperature. It's very cold there. Here, it's very hot. Nicole is here.
Wait, I look.
What? She's hiding her face. She needs to be pretty before I filmed.
Yeah.
What is that power change? Huh?
It's part of the place.
Maybe that's a
After
different.
like after
And then next time, Yashli na po.
a year or like.
Si Yashli na po na mong brace. Or ba siya? Hindi siya pa-brace.
I
But
hope she doesn't need braces.
we'll find out. Her teeth on the top. Usually, it's always be on the top side of the teeth that's not really aligned or straight. Pa-brace naman siya eh. The most asset in the body of a person is the smile, guys. So, if you have the means,
How about the eyes?
how about the eyes? If you have the means, you have the money to do it, do it.
I know.
It's not temporary. After 2 years of doing the braces, it will be forever. Yeah. Alright, we're here. Sabi ni Nicole, every month na lang nag-vlog sa akong retain.
Guys, ang natural hair the bandot.
Yeah, I like that.
Glazing yan.
Yeah, she's ready. Go check in yourself. Tell them that you're here. What?
Ako to, mocha frappe. Pwede na mo dalon.
Happy Lobby?
Yeah. Then mainom ko.
I think so.
Okay, good.
We're here. Alright, too early today. We're like 15 minutes early. She's done after 30 minutes, I guess. And she wants a frappe from McDonald's. Guys, nasa Hobby Lobby na ako. Naka 50% off sila. So, I'm gonna buy something for our Christmas tree. Ang cute ng kanilang mga dito. Ito, sobrang nice nito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Para siyang cotton. This is really cute. This is so nice. So, I got already ribbons out here. Yeah, ribbons, and then this one. Guys, ang galing. 50% off. Bibili tayo. Ito yung hinahanap ko, guys. Ba, diretso na. Lagay. This one. Naka 50% off sila. Bibili ako. My goodness, this is so cute. Tingnan nyo to, guys. $50. Sobrang cute. Ito, si Rodolph. Ayan, maganda to. 50% off din sila. Guys, look at what I'm getting. I'm gonna use this one. This is 50% off, so why not? Oh my gosh, I think. Guys, I think lampas na ako. More than $100 na I think yung binili ko today. But we'll see. Oh my gosh. Sana hindi magalit yung asawa ko. Sorry, babe. Sabi po, sige, go eh. Kanina, sabi niya, go, get. Yan, tamawan. Oh. Hello? Hello? This one is so cute. This one is nice as well, guys. My gosh, ang dami ko nang kinuha. Ayan, oh, malalaki. I think this one is nice. It's 14, so this is only $7 na lang. Ay, my gosh, ang gastos ko na. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. This one are big. Well, I think I'm fine. Ganda din ito, oh. Tingnan nyo yan, guys. Meron na kami ganito, pero yung nakaraan binili namin sa Lowe's ata. But this one, how much is this? 50% off. So, let's see the price first. Tingnan natin yung price. And then, we'll think to buy it or not. Alright. Okay. Not bad. That's like $21. Alright. Are you guys doing your own shopping? Ay, hindi wala ko gipansin, guys. Hindi nila ako pinapansin. Are you cold? Why black? You love.
She's gonna be goth.
She's gonna what?
She's gonna be goth.
No, I'm gonna
What's
Next thing you know, she'll be
goth?
wearing black lipstick.
Oh, don't do that. Never. Don't do that. Okay, it's just the three of us. Ashley's not here. Okay. Ganiha, when we left home, she's not home yet. So, Nico lang. So, ito yung mga binibili ko, guys. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado. That's because ang dami pong tao. That's because ulit 50% off sila today. And I don't know until when, but I got so many. My gosh, you just don't know how many. Ang dami ko pong binili, guys. Tingnan niyo yan. What is that for? For the shirt? Ah!
The hoodie, just iron it on.
And then it will paste? Or it will...
It's like the one we got yesterday.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Mama.
You don't need a big one.
Mama.
The mama.
Oh, this is so cute.
Yes, yes.
Okay, guys.
No.
Sorry.
Mama's black choice. This is black on black.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what? I have a bad choice. What? That's a smiley face, Nicole. Looks nice. Smile. Ow. Reminds you to smile every day. Or this one. Or this one. Oh, love like Jesus. See? You read Bible, right? Love like Jesus. Ay, ang tagal naman ito. Sabi ko magpapa-vlog ako kahit 3 minutes lang kasi wala akong ano.
Diva.
Video
Yes.
na malayuan ba? Para makita naman ako.
Yes, this.
Di ba? Oh, nice. Nasa kay Sparkle. Are you sure you can iron this one?
What does it say?
Iron on. It says iron
It
on.
says iron on. So,
Okay. It's not gonna burn?
Well, you probably got to put something over it.
Ah, yeah. That's right. So this for babies. Like,
Where did you get that one?
what do you mean? What do you mean?
Huh?
We are all blessed. Thank you, baby.
I have a roof on over my head, and I have food, and I have my front face over here.
That's good.
And you have a frappe.
Yeah, how nice. I don't know what she said. Anyway, this is the first time that I shop here that my cart is very full. Oh, diba? I'm so lucky today. Hinayaan niya akong bumili.
So lucky.
What?
Earmuffs.
Oh, when it's cold?
Cold.
Huh?
I'm just kidding.
Ang pumunta ko sa... Wait, balik na dito sa holiday. Guys! Sarot mo yung taon, guys. Look at this. Lagi ako yung ano, there's a painting here that's so nice.
Kanang something ba sa akong kwarto, di ba? Yung ka nga.
What is this?
Yung ka nga, i-decorate na to akong kwarto.
Yeah, but when it's 50% off, we'll buy. But right now it's not.
I saw something that will actually look good on my room. It's pink.
That one, oh look at that. Very
It's too
vibrant.
colorful.
That's why I like it.
Oh, okay.
That one is not.
What is this? What is like?
Oh yeah, that's your smell. Emit.
Let's see what Nicole, because Nicole doesn't like this.
We are in Sam's. Masculine man na, pang lalaki. Stop by lang kami, bili kami konti. My favorite. Oh, why it's so small? I want a big one. Oh, same price. The other pineapple is small, the other one is big, so I'll get the big one. And then I also get this banana. Banana. Eat
You
banana.
gonna hold the phone?
Yes, sir. And my banana. I'm gonna eat potassium. Which one is good?
None.
Which one is good? I want the champagne that I drink when I was in United. This one, oh, murag juice raman eh. Nice lagi niyo. It looks good. Rose. This one, the bottle is nice. Long, but I don't know how it tastes though. $7? 8 only. That's cheap. This one is 15. But I buy before, hindi ko na inom guys. Sayang. Andun lang sa ref. I think I have, tinapon ko ba yun? I think tinapon ko. This one looks, what is this? Is this a juice? Juice only or it's alcohol? Is this bad? Is this good? Have you tried this?
This is good.
What?
You'll probably,
Wine?
you'll probably like this.
Like sweet?
It's
Kinda?
sweet.
Yes. Is that a wine like the red or white?
It's a white.
But I enjoy my life. Favorite ko na to talaga. As Ian. Love ko to. Kolache, kolache, kolache. I love this one. I ate this one.
Hold my
Right. Masarap to guys. Mabilis din lutuin kasi microwave mo lang. We are home. We are home, people. I'm so excited to show you guys what we get today. Ang dami naming binili. Okay. So, nag-grocery kami guys. Pero ang dami naming binili from Hobby Lobby. A lot. But I have to put away first the food. Kasi meron tayong mga, we have like, yeah, put it there. We have food here na kailangan i-refrigerator. Tabangis ako, Drebe. Ang mga food i-ref. Like the one that needs to be freezed. No, meat. Huh? The meat. Freezer. This meat. Oh, mama kasi. You have to be there. Did it? Yeah. Did it? No, down. Before like, oh, I'm doing this for fun, pero $1 game. So it just be practical, you know. If people is watching, thank you guys. That's it for ano? Babe, are you gonna eat this or tomorrow? Ah, you didn't get ano, chopstick.
My question is, what is my frame?
Where is your phone?
My frame.
Oh, your frame is not there yet. It's tomorrow. Picture frame you're talking?
Yeah, it's supposed to be here today, I thought.
It says tomorrow. Kami ng mga ano guys, little grocery lang naman, like banana. My favorite fruits is pineapple. So, meron kaming nakitang ganito. Ano ba tawag nito dito? Bao. Ano ba yan? Parang, ito siopaw sa Philippines. And then, chicken nuggets, cheese, and my very favorite, kolache. Kolache is my favorite. Ay, hindi ko alam kung bakit gustong-gusto ko to guys, but it tastes so good. Ulit yung pangalan niya. It's so good talaga. So, you know, and this is very easy to make, or parang make. This is very easy, like, i-reheat mo lang microwave, and that's it. You have something to eat. Ang ano lang yan, guys, pag mabilisan, pag hindi ka makapagluto, and then you wanted to eat kasi sobrang hungry mo na. Yeah, and this is also, like, good breakfast or snacks. Yeah, very nice. Very good, very good. Just put it here. So we got 3 boxes kasi favorite ko. And I've got, hindi ko alam, nakita ko lang to kanina and I was like, oh, that's new. I want to try this one. So this one is a chocolate. A Ritter Sport Minis. Try nga natin. Oh, mini snacks. Which one? Blue or yellow or red? Let's try this orange. Butter biscuit. Milk chocolate. This one. Try nga natin kung masarap to. I just wanna try. Kasi I haven't tried this or hindi ko pa to na-try ever. Since I got it here. First time ko itong makita sa store. Na, chocolate. Oh. So there's biscuit. Merong biscuit sa ilalim. But tastes so good. Oh my goodness. Ayoko talaga. I don't want to get used again eating chocolate. Kasi pag na-use na naman ulit yung body ko, hahanapin ko naman yung chocolate, guys. And tataba na naman ulit. Yung chicken. Kakain ako kasi I haven't eat today. I need to eat something. Hindi nagugutom ako talaga ako. I was not hungry earlier. Pero ngayon, like, sobrang gutom ko na. Sinasabi ko na ba to? Hindi ako nakakain eh. I only had coffee today. Oh, nakapag, ano pala, konti. Kinamay na. Ako naman kakain ito, guys. So, don't judge me. Ganito talaga kami sa bukid. Gusto ko to. Panit. Dako kayong manok, diba? Sobrang laki ng chicken. Chicken is so big. Paano ba ito? Manok lang. Wala nang rice. Hindi na ako nagra-rice for, I think, 1 week. 1 week. Ang bugira niya. 1 week pa di ay. Marag lami ni brown. Oh. Marag lami po ni. Oh. Karin na lang di ako. I want this. These wings kay gapula-pula. I'm gonna watch my Netflix again. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung mga binili namin sa Hobby Lobby. Hindi ako nakapag-focus mag-vlog kanina kasi ang daming tao sa Hobby Lobby. That's because they are on sale. 50% off. Pero kahit nag 50% off, ang dami ko palang binili, guys. Shock ako sa price ng binayaran namin kanina paglabas. I mean, pag-check out. Like, oh, I was not expecting that. But, okay. Fine. But yeah, I'm so excited. We are so excited to decorate. This is the part of this is something that I always like look forward kasi we started it last year nung putting decoration on our first Christmas tree from here. So this will be our second time na gagawa ng ganun and it will be fun. This will be fun. Kaning brown akong gustong kanon. Oh my gosh, it's good. Chicken is good. Trying not to overeat. Kasi I have to like really look for the food I take. Kasi pag masobraan, guys, wala na yung goal figure natin. But sana makaya ko to. Actually, hindi ako sure. But next year, I will be back. Makakaligo na ako ng swimming pool na naka-bikini again. Charot. Okay. Okay, I just finished eating my chicken, guys. We will be doing a haul from our Christmas shopping today. Christmas shopping, no. For our Christmas decoration shopping. Today, nilagay niya ba lahat? Bakit nawala yung red? Yeah, nilagay niya. Anyway, so this is what I've got. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 bags and yung iba hindi na nalagay sa bag kasi hindi magkasya. Anyway, this is what I've got from Hobby Lobby today for our Christmas tree decoration. Ang tagal ko na itong inisip bilhin, guys. But last time nung pumunta kami sa Hobby Lobby, I think it was not 50% yet that time. So this one is for, this is a tricolor. So para sa surround ng kaniyang para makip natin yung paa ng Christmas tree. This will make it looks clean. So, my gosh, I have this one. And one thing about this is I can use this for a long time. Years. So, I have this one. Okay. Color. Ay, cute. Kita niyo naman, sa picture, ganito siya. Oh, para pang sa Christmas tree. And then, what I have here is, meron tayong, wala kasi akong red na Christmas ornament or bowl, whatever. So, I have one now. So, again, naka 50% off. But I have to look for yung resibo ko, guys. Kasi, shock ako sa binayaran ko today. Shock talaga ako sa binayaran today. But, anyway, this one, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for our Christmas decoration this year. And this will be traditional. So, pagbigyan natin si husband. And I also have this red button, guys. So, my theme for this year is red and gold. So, bumili ako ng red because I still have like few golds na mga Christmas balls or ornaments, guys. So, hindi na ako kailangan bumili pa ng gold. So, red lang muna. And then, this one is magkano ba to? $17.99. Pero naka naka 50% off. This one is $19.98 and it's 50% off. Titingnan ko talaga yung yung resibo kasi parang sobra yung binayaran ko, but sabi ng asawa ko na expected kasi ang dami mong binili. And also this one, cute red thing pa rin, ornament pa rin for like $10.99. Pinakita ko na yung price. Ito din, guys, yung price nito is around, magkano ba to? How much is this? Saan na yung price? $47.99. So, $48. And meron ako dito, nakyutan ako pagtingin ko kanina, guys. I was like, what? It's so cute! Look at this. Yeah, cute niya. Do you wanna build a snowman? You wanna build a little snowman? Look, ang cute, diba? Sobrang cute niya talaga with a, carrot na nose. Yeah, so this one is $32. This one, ang cute niya. Itatabi ko to kasi meron ako Santa Claus na maliit. And then, meron pa tayong ito, yung flower na dagdag natin sa ating decoration. I got 2 packages of this color, red. And then, meron akong gold dito din, guys. 2 packages of these. Ito ay $8.99 each bag or each boxes. And then, asan yung ito, $8.99. This one is $8.99. This one, very cute, gold. And then, meron tayo, ito, nakipan ako nito, guys. Bumili ako ng dalawa. Dapat pala, dinami ko. Diba? Cute nito. Super cute. Parang ako na-happy talaga ako ngayon nag-shopping. First time ko mag-shopping na sobrang kuno yung aking cart for shopping. Ginawa ng pintas. But yeah, this one is nice. Like, gagamitin ko siya pang paikot na ating Christmas tree. This one is only $6. This one, $6. This one, mataas siya ha. Oh, diba? Ay, I'm so excited for the decoration na talaga. I'm telling you guys, sobrang nakaka-excite mag-decorate this time kasi mas marami kaming decoration this time. This one, oh, dalawang ganito. Gold. So, I have here, so nakita ko to sa Hobby Lobby. And then, this is actually a craft. So, binili ko siya kasi pwede mag-enjoy yung mga kids. They're gonna like color this one, paint this one, and yeah, some just activities for them to do. And then i-display natin to sa ating table, like sa baba ng ating TV. Diba cute? Ano to? Like 15. This one is 15. Paint lang nila. Balik natin yun. Diba? Takot ako kanina kasi baka mabasag kasi it's like cement. So babasagin. Sabi natin yan para hindi talaga yan maano. And then I have this. If you remember, when I did the decoration of our Christmas tree, meron akong paganito. But that time kasi guys, binili ko siya sa Shein. And if I buy it sa Shein pa, if I buy this sa Shein pa, it will take like 2 weeks before dadating. So sabi ko, nakita ko to sa Hobby Lobby. Sabi ko, yan na lang. So, I'm gonna use this one to create a ribbon around our Christmas tree again. Before, I used the color, what did I use before? Gold, white, something? But kasi because our theme this year is red, so a combination of these two. This one kasi wala akong gold na makita, but parang na rin siyang gold naman guys. So, pero actually this is not gold, pero parang gold na rin. But let's see. We'll make it beautiful this year again, same as last year. And what else? Ay, bumili pala ako nito. Tape para sa Hala! So, hindi niya binigay sa akin yung wrapping paper? Binili ko yun Bakit di niya binigay? Binili ko yun. Or naiwan sa car. And then, meron akong paganito. Tingnan nito, sobrang cute nito. Hindi ko lang siya malabas kasi ang dami niyang glitters. Nagtatanggalan yung glitters niya. So, look at this. Lalagay natin to sa ating Christmas tree. Ang cute. Sobrang cute nito, guys. And then, meron akong, ito gold, and then this one is red. So, yun. And then, tama ba to? Bakit hindi ko nakuha yung Akala ko ba nalagay ko yun? Wait sa. Tingnan ko yung resibo ko para makita natin kung check natin yung resibo para malaman natin. And then bumili si Nicole ng hoodie and anong ba to? Sketchbook. Ang liit naman ito. Sketchbook na maliit. Hoodie. Silang dalawa ni daddy niya nag-shopping. Hoodie sa Hobby Lobby, and then eto, iron-on sticker. Yun lang naman, guys. Pero hindi ko makita asan ba yung meron akong binili kasi na gift wrapper. Pero bakit wala dito? Anyway, guys, yung wrapping paper hindi na yung wrapping paper hindi namin alam saan, but we paid for it. Actually, it's here on the receipt. But yung asawa ko, we paid for like, magkano ba yun? At least $5. So, sayang. For me, sayang. Pero yung asawa ko, sabi niya, baka hindi na nila tanggapin. Pero hindi ko kasi maalala, guys. Kasi nung nag-load kami ng things, siya yung nag-load ng mga bagay. And then, hindi ko alam bakit hindi nalagay sa cart ba. Pero imposible kasi. Imposible hindi namin malaman na meron pang naiwan sa cart at hindi namin nalagay sa car. Kasi kanina, nung nag-punch yung cashier, eto nga, tinabi niya to eh. Hindi ko naman sinabing hindi ko kukunin. Tinabi niya. Hindi ko alam bakit niya tinabi. So, I'm gonna get that. Sa kanya, inano ulit. Bakit mo tinabi? So, yung wrapper, possible na tinabi niya. Pero pinunch na. Ewan. At sabi ng asawa ko, baka hindi rin ibigay sa amin kasi baka isipin nila ng scam kami. But, Sayang din yung $5. Anyway, I'm really tired right now. Anong oras na ba? Guys, 8:57 in the evening. Kanina nag-vlog ako sa car nung paglabas namin sa Hobby Lobby. Sus, ang nangyari, yung camera ko is naka-photo ang settings, guys. So, nagsasalita ako, nag-click photo pala yun. Walang video nangyari. But anyway, guys, again, we are very excited to show you the result or yung ating magiging Christmas tree this year. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful talaga, to be honest, sa asawa ko kasi very supportive naman siya when it comes to putting our Christmas tree on. Kasi ito yung something na ini-enjoy ko talaga and the kids. Kasi we are helping putting everything sa Christmas tree. We really do enjoy just the same as last year. So, I'm so excited this year. Okay, that's it. Okay. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon on our next video. Hopefully we can really make more video na magiging regular na yung vlog natin, guys. Hopefully. We'll see. See you guys. Bye.